gon' try to put it down like wow. It's been you and me since I made.
Hey, what's up guys? In this video I have a Bath and Body Works haul for you all. Look at him. Y'all, he's already ready to open the package for me. I feel so bad because this part is like sticky and like he keeps lifting his paw off of it. Teddy. Y'all, every time I get a package, he always thinks it's for him. I think it's because when he was a kitten, I used to get him like little snacks from Amazon. And like, I guess ever since then, like packages always remind him of food. So every now and then, I still have to get him little snacks or whatever. So he won't think that I'm not thinking about him. Okay, excuse me, Teddy. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, let me get him off of this box. Okay, you guys, I have a haul for you guys. Let's see if I can do this without Teddy. Oh my gosh, please, this is very dangerous. Don't bite me. Y'all, how am I gonna do this? How am I gonna do this? How does he expect me to open it? How do you expect me to open it when you're on top of it, silly? Excuse me. Okay. And get this open. Oh no, he's leaving. Okay, let's see, you guys. Open it up. Open it up. I'm so glad they put it in there this way this time so I can just. Okay, you guys. This haul is from it was a flash sale, and there was the body care was $5.50 for like limited time. So I decided to get 4 fragrance mists. I have the Belize Tropical Cabana, Raspberry Tangerine, Forever Red, and the Champagne Toast in the this All Dressed Up collection. I've never tried this collection yet, so I'm so excited, you guys. I mean, I know what Champagne Toast smells like, but I think it might be. It has a different, it has different notes. But let's get like a little whiff of each one of these for right now, just to see. Okay, this is the Belize Tropical Cabana. I'm gonna spray it a little. Let's see. Oh, I definitely smell banana. What? You guys, I was thinking I probably wouldn't like this one, but it smells okay. It kind of reminds me of I don't know if it's just me, but it kind of reminds me of what is that called? The sunflower, the golden sunflower a little. But I can definitely smell banana. This one is very interesting. Okay, let's see. What else I have here is the Raspberry Tangerine. I have this in the lotion from last year. And I wanted to get the mist, so I finally have the mist. Hopefully it's just as strong. Let's see. Little spritz. Oh, that's so good. It's so good, y'all. This one is like very juicy and like yummy. I want to drink this. This is so good. It smells just like the lotion that I have. Here I have Forever Red. I've tried this a long time ago because one of my friends had the lotion in high school and I would use that one all the time. So now I have my own Forever Red. I really like these bottles, y'all. Okay, let's spray it. That's so good. Definitely reminds me of high school. Wow. That just took me back. That's so good, y'all. I'm so happy I have this. It's very like, kind of like a darker scent, but it's like fruity. What is in this? What are the notes? Fiery pomegranate, red peony, rich vanilla rum, and oak wood. Y'all, this smells so good. It takes me back to like math class. I don't know, but it smells really good. And last but not least, I have Champagne Toast. This bottle is so pretty, y'all. I'm so excited to try this. I want to see if it like smells just like the one that I have my the bubbly one. I don't think it is because this one is tangerine and the bubbly one is like nectarine, but it'll probably still smell good. Let's see. Okay. It still smells champagne toasty. I'm trying to think of a difference. Do I smell a difference? Maybe. I don't know, you guys, but it does smell like champagne toast from what I can remember of my little travel size one. I'm gonna do a review on each one of these, so make sure you guys look out for that review. Coming soon. I don't know when, but you guys have to, you know, bear with me and be a little patient. All right. I mean, if you really want a review on one of these like today, just scream it in the comments and I'll make a review for you guys. But yeah, you guys, this is gonna be all for this haul. Let me place it up like this. I don't know if that's gonna look better. Oh, they're falling down. Anyways, it's gonna be all for this haul, you guys. I have another package coming today, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to post the video the same time. I might post it the next day, actually. I might post it the same day. I don't know. You guys will know. But, yeah, you guys, this is going to be the end of this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, all that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.